Hi everyone, for today's video we're going to do a quick unboxing and review on this Umidigi UWatch 5S smartwatch. This is the latest smartwatch that they released and it is only priced at $35, and right now they actually have it on sale for $35 plus a 41% discount. So you can actually get this for about $23 and change. So if you're looking for a cheap smartwatch, then you may want to consider this one. So let's go ahead and open it. So they have a nice packaging. Umidigi always have a nice packaging. I have been using their product for I think about 5 years now. I have their Umidigi 5S, and right now I'm also using this Umidigi A15 as my primary phone. So they do produce a good quality product. So let me go ahead and get this thing out and see what's inside. So inside the box you'll see a small manual. You'll have the charger, this USB, and you have the phone. So if you can see here, the phone actually is charged by these two magnetic contacts. So this thing can only go one way. If you look here, it won't go in if you have it backwards, okay? But if I put it the other way, it pulls it in right away. See that? So if you look at the watch itself, you can see that it does have a nice 1.7 large color display, and the glass is actually a curved glass. It also have an aircraft grade aluminum bezel right here, and it also does have a nice silicone strap for comfortable wearing experience. So let me go ahead and remove this. It has a QR code. I'm just going to cover that because I'm not sure if this is for this particular watch. You have an option to skip scanning the QR code. And if you don't scan the QR code, it's going to tell you to download the OYFit app. So this OYFit app, they are currently updating this app because after I purchased this thing, I actually downloaded it on my phone, and my phone actually tells me that the app is not compatible with my phone because the app is designed for an older version of Android. So I have an Android 13, and what I did is I contacted the company and they told me that they are waiting for Google to update their app, but they did send me the APKs, and you can see here you can set up the app this way, okay? So the update to the app is coming, so don't worry if you can't download it right now. I think they put this thing out so that it can be available for the holiday shopping season. So unfortunately the app was not approved yet, and they're still working on it. This watch also comes with 19 sports mode that includes running, climbing, swimming, and a lot more. It's using the powerful Saiwi motion algorithm, which is a motion sensing technology that is currently being used for a lot of things like game controller, motion sensor, and motion tracking, and a lot of stuff. So it's also paired with a high precision 9-axis sensor so that it can accurately monitor and analyze key fitness data like heart rate, speed, and calories burned. This watch is also rated at 5 ATM, and that means that this thing comes with a water resistance of up to 50 meters. It also does have a blood oxygen monitoring. It also have a high precision real-time heart rate monitoring using the PixArt PPG sensor. It comes with a sleep monitoring and health reminders such as stand, drink, and medication reminder. Also, this comes with a 10 days of battery life, and it also comes with smart assistants like music control. You can view your messages from here. You can control your phone camera from here. You have flashlight, weather forecast, timer, alarm, You can do a fine phone as well and a compass. So this thing right now comes with three colors. You have the rose gold, space gray, and titanium gray. So this is a space gray color right here. So if you're looking for something like this is their darkest color. The titanium gray is a lighter gray color, and they also have a rose gold color if you prefer. So this is how it looks like in my small arm. It does fit really nice, and I actually like the feeling of it. I do like that all the corners are rounded. So if you're interested in getting this watch, I put my Amazon affiliate link on the description. You can use that link if you want to help my channel. And what I'll do is I'll use this for about 2 or 3 weeks, and then I'll update the description on what I think about this watch after that. And I hope that you found this video helpful to you. Please help my channel by clicking the like and the subscribe button, and thank you for watching.